Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain about loan approval process. You will have to make sure that loan approval process setting is set to yes. If it is not there, you can create from here, search on this setting and mark it as yes. Now quickly I am going to explain how it works. I am searching a file and I click loan. I select any scheme, I click save. It will tell that it is sent for loan approval. Now customer can also, whenever customer will apply a loan, it will also go in the loan approval process. In profile loan approval. Now we have recently modified this screen and we have basically set these icons in a proper flow. This means you just mouse over here, it will tell you like new request. From new request, loan will go to in progress. Now from in progress, ideally it should go to additional info required or requested in case you need more details from customer or from the staff who created this loan. If additional info is provided, then it will go here automatically, and from here it can basically go verification pending. For example, the field verification, house proof or employment proof, all this verification pending will go here. From there, verification completed. Now here, from here it can go to three stages like rejected, on hold or approved. So assuming that it has gone to approved stage, now approved, after approval it has to go to ready to disburse, then only you can disburse the loan manually or automatically. Okay, so I'm going to basically try this practically. I just change the status to additional info required and the narration is made mandatory. I click change status. I can also approve the loan. Approve loan can be marked in any status, but loan disburse cannot be done unless and until it is marked as ready to disburse. Now here I click refresh. It is in this stage. From here directly I am skipping all the steps actually, and I just simply approve this loan. Now it is in approval stage. Now in approval I will get option here ready to disburse. Ready to disburse, it is not like finally disbursed. It is just marking moving stage for a next inspection and final disbursement. Now the loan number which is generated can be seen here, and we can search loan directly from here. So as soon as the loan is approved, you can search the loan from here. Okay, and now you can change the status here. The loans which are approved, I'm going to change this loan to ready to disburse. I will add comments and ready to disburse. This will move to ready to disburse stage, and this loan, when I open, it is disbursed manually is available now. So I just enter the comments and click disburse manually. When I disburse, the loan 390 is disbursed, and now I can search the same loan 390, and here I can see the loan status. Okay, now rest of the things as usual will be working in the system. You might have seen multiple videos actually related to this. Alright, thank you so much. In case you need any help, please write down in the comment section, so I will provide more videos on this. Thank you.